When we are giving you a laser machine, we will give you a complete total solution. That is the laser machine itself, ikiwa complete hivi, and we have the chiller here for the machine, and we have the laser source. Iko pale nyuma imefungiwa. And if you are doing oxygen or nitrogen, we have the nitrogen bank here. So with nitrogen, you cut more faster than oxygen. And with oxygen, you cut more faster than air. And with air, our machines are so stable in a way that at 6 kilowatt, kama hii machine ni ya 6 kilowatt, inakata 6 mm. So any day unafanya kazi ya lori, ya fabrication ya lori, body za gari, unatengeneza vitu za gari, tumia machine ya Bodor. Bodor is a machine that is tested in Kenya, and it has actually achieved major and tremendous success. Tuko na after sales services, we import these machines, install and train your people. Bodor ndio machine pekee inauzwa na training and development. So engineer anatoka huku China, anakuja all the way Kenya, anafanya installation na ana train employees wako mpaka client akuwe satisfied. And we have done that in so many clients. Any day you require a laser cutting solution, we are offering you a whole solution. And you can also add the dust collector, and you can also add other items just to ensure that your processes are seamless. Thank you.